Welcome back to the channel. Jacob Stewart, the WWE Action Figure Collector YouTube channel for another episode of Jacob Stewart's WWE Action Figure unboxing from eBay. New for 2024, Jacob Stewart's WWE Action Figure unboxing from eBay, right here on Jacob Stewart, the WWE Action Figure Collector YouTube channel. Second unboxing for the day. This big ass box right here, bubble wrapped, packed very good, very good with all the bubble wrap. Thank you very much. What did I purchase from eBay? It's packed very well. I might need scissors. Okay, I definitely need scissors because it's packed so good. Alright, I unbubble wrapped the figure because it's packed so damn good. Thank you very much. But what did I purchase from eBay? You gotta be kidding! It's Rocky! And I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe when I saw it on eBay. I thought purchase, because I really want it for my collection. And I thought, Rocky, need that. I need that one. Because it's a Target exclusive from America, and I'm like, I'm purchasing that from 2014, and I'm like, look at the condition of it. MIC, thank you very much. It's freaking awesome. It's in MIC. I need it part of my museum collection. I don't have it. 2014 it came out. Friggin' Target exclusive from America, and I'm like, I'm purchasing it. That's it. Look at it. That's great. That's freaking awesome. I'm really purchased. I got it. I bought it. Exclusive Target. Oh, $95 including postage. That is a great price. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, everybody. That's my latest purchase from eBay. That is awesome. I'm really happy with that figure. Rocky. Thanks for watching, everybody. Oh, the back of it. Oh, look at that. That's freaking awesome. I'm really happy with that. Thanks for watching, everybody.